Silence, please, everyone. Phones on silent. Look in the center, yeah? Shall congratulations. Today is the film release. How excited are you?
I am like very excited because it's kind of a dream come true because as an independent filmmaker, yeah, you don't get that much chance to explore yourself. But this time it was like everything was in our hands, and we were like, okay, let's make this film. Let's go out, let's go all out, and make this film in spite of being कि हाँ ये बन सकता है ये नहीं बन सकता. So it was like every day we were like on risk, and every day it was like okay, it's going to end. But then towards the end we were like okay, let's keep making it, let's keep everything aside, and let's just focus on what you're creating, because at the end people are going to watch it, and yeah, I guess people are going to like it too.
So how did the whole idea happen? It's a lockdown film if you really have to say so. So how did this all start? How did you ideate? What was in the mind that because it is a unique concept and first time ever experienced on Indian diaspora. So what do you have to say about that?
So basically, what we did is when the lockdown actually happened, we were all very tensed about this entire situation. Ke, how are things going to be? How is how are we going to make films again? And then I just had this idea where I was like, okay, let's explore screen life as a genre, because that is very new, and screen life is very different, and you really don't need to go out there and do everything. You can actually sit at home and record everything and still make a film. So it was a new genre, and then I started calling people. I started, the first one I called was my associate who had done a lot of films with me in the past, and her name is Tanaya. So I called her and I was like, okay, I have this idea and we have to do it. And she was like, yeah, Kushal, it's locked down. And I was like, yeah, okay, but still we have to do it. So then I narrated the entire story to her, and then she was like, okay, let's start pitching. So we did not expected it to reach to this point where we are having a theater screening today, but we actually thought, okay, we'll just go ahead, let's make it, let's start this, because once you start, you know it's going to end, and that was very important for us to end this film. And I hope like this ended on a very successful note for us, because right now we are just watching the film in the theater. So it was from screen to the big screen. So it was a very different experience.
So yeah. We say this is a lockdown journey completely started from there and ended at the lockdown.
Yeah,
shooting.
yeah.
So how was the reaction, when you approached actors, because everybody's keen to know how it is, and I'm sure this is like a different, approach and concept even for them then when you had approached them. So how did they react?
So once we actually made the entire ideation and the scripting was done, we actually went to like actors profile, because we did not had anyone to do casting for us. Then we got connected to the casting director, like, hey, bro, just send us some options, and we will actually pitch them the entire idea. So we wrote the entire script and we told the actors, just read it once, and if you like it, we'll make it. And there is nothing ke we are waiting for someone to do it, or we are on someone's this thing ke yaar wo honge tabhi ye banega and stuff like that. It was never like that. It was like ke actors say yes, okay, let's go and start shooting. Then we'll think about the editing, then we'll think about the music, then we'll think about the release. But right now what's important is what's there in our hand, and that is let's approach the actors. So once we started approaching the actors, there were a hell lot of auditions, because everyone was at their places, and we actually got the best cast, I feel, on board for this film, and they did brilliant, because it was fun. It was fun to actually watch the entire thing. There was no dialogues written for this film. It was like, okay, this is a situation, this is what we are doing, and everyone just improv every time, because that's the thing we actually needed. Okay, we needed that MMS kind of a vibe. We did not want to be like cinematic and stuff like that. We actually wanted to be very MMS kind of found footage kind of a zone. So yeah, that happened, and one by one, so Ashwini Kaul was the first actor who actually joined the crew, and then we started auditioning other actors with Ashwini. Then we started. So once we get Ashwini, then we got Saloni. Then with Saloni and Ashwini, we started auditioning someone else. Then so that way, even the dynamics of every character, they all became friends. So when you watch this film in on your screen, they don't even know each other. Like they never met each other. So everyone met when we started dubbing and stuff. But yeah, I think actors were beautiful in the film. So yeah.
Is it easy to direct when you're in your own space and actors in a different space and you're not physically there? You know, it's a virtual. So how was that whole experience?
So the thing is, because I'm sitting at my place, we shot the entire film in 5 days, and we did 2 days of rehearsals, and I just had some pointers down. So this is what I think. With every genre, with every film, every different experiment, you have to change your process, and that's what we did. We actually thought of, okay, let's change our process. Let's not direct actors like this. Let's change our process a little bit, and then let's do it. So we did everything. That's the reason we did everything improv, and we were like, okay, this is the situation. Let's see how it's going on. Let's see how it's coming through. And once that was done, when we got the shot, we were like, okay, now we are not doing it again, because we knew that this is not going to come again. So it was like 1 take, max 2 takes, not more than that, because uske baad it's going to be looking like a film and not like an MMS. So that was it.
The live stream concept. Tell us more about that.
The screen life concept. So screen life genre is basically very new. It's very new. There's already 2 to 3 films which are made, but it was not explored in India much. There's this one film called See You Soon that was there, and it's a brilliant movie. But then we're like, okay, let's make something in India with Hindi language, with our kind of a culture, that how we talk to friends and stuff, and let's keep it very organic. So screen life was something which we explored, and we were like, okay, this is so interesting that everything happens on a laptop screen, and you're not out of that screen at all. You're just on your laptop screen, and because it's a personal laptop, the interesting part is that while you're talking to someone else, you are also talking to someone which is your personal chats, your private things. So, and the audience is watching that too. So there are multiple simultaneous stories which are going side by side, side by side, side by side, and that's what keep audience interested, and that's what kept us interested in making the entire project.
So talking, yeah.
So this movie was kind of like thriller, but still not, horror. So are you gonna keep with the same genre, or you're gonna try something else now?
I really want to try different genres and different styles. So my aim is to like be experimental, try something new, not just stick to like one thing. Okay, this is how movie making is done, because you can make movie anywhere, anytime. And right now, movie can be made on your hands. Like, you have phones in your hands. You can shoot anything. We shot the entire film on a webcam. It is 3 megapixel camera. So that is how we shot it. So if you're thinking, that is it, so we were like, okay, let's do this.
Okay, any upcoming work fronts you wanna share with us?
Any upcoming?
Work fronts you wanna share with the
And
audience?
what's the next project that you're working on?
Right now, working on a couple of scripts which are again in the experimental zone, again in something weird, something vague, not something you take from the screen, but obviously something which you will remember while you're watching the film. So yeah, there are some projects which are coming, and I'll let you guys know soon about that.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Rolling. Silence, please. So congratulations. I'm sure you must be excited if the film is released. What do you have to say about the project?
Yeah, we all are very excited. It looks really nice. I had my eyes shut throughout. This is my first horror film that I've ever watched in my life. Which I mean, Kushal, I 100% I'm being honest here. So yeah, it was a really exciting journey, and I hope you all have really liked it.
So what was your reaction to the approach to that, there's a unique concept like this, and
So when I got approached, it was in April 2020, and then that's the time I spoke to Kushal and Tanaya for the first time. So they had this different concept, and I've been working since few years on a lot of shows. So I was a little skeptical about how it's going to be, and then but Kushal is really talented. I mean, this film, whatever is being made, it's him, because we were just sitting at our own houses and reacting, man. It's him. So it was great. It was really good.
so how does it feel now when when right from the time Kushal approached and now finally seeing the final project on screen, how does it feel?
It's been a long time, man. We have been waiting since a year now, and
I think a year plus.
year plus. We shot this in August 2020, and then now it's been released. And when we shot this, we had no plan. We were just making it. It's a zero budget film. There is no money involved. So there were zero hopes. So this is like whatever is happening is it's great.
So what's the message that you would like to give out to the audience?
Please listen to us and watch it.
Yeah, and maybe there will be a part 2 if you like it.
Yeah, if you like it, why not?
Yes.
I mean, I hope the audience really likes this new concept, which we've seen a lot abroad, but India, somebody's attempted for the first time, so it's great.
Yeah.
Enjoy it.
So how was your experience working with the other cast, other 5 cast?
Other people like Gurleen, of course, it was great. She is here. I'm glad she made it. Others could not because they are busy with their respective schedules. So, but with Saloni, Sankalp, Kajol, Megha, Aditya, these were the people we worked
My
with.
God, you know everybody. I actually don't know anybody. I
Right.
only know you.
I remember.
And he's the only person I was auditioned with. And of course, I was not even supposed to know the other cast. So I did not get to know the other cast, but of course I know them now. But yeah, it was fun. We all got to know each other on the internet, through Instagram, stalking each other, becoming friends. Yeah, we should actually, all of us should actually meet today and understand
Yes, we
who
should.
we all are.
Yeah.
So though it was an horror kind of thriller movie, did you have any funny incident you want to share with the audience?
Oh, it was a fun film for us. I mean,
Or like
but-
behind the scenes?
like you know,
kind of-
before Kushal did this edit to the film, it was really fun for us. After we watched this, we were like, yeah, the different perspective. I mean, it was really, he edited it really well. Otherwise, it was all fun and jokes. And in the end, of course, with the situation, we go to the climax and everything. But yeah, it was really good. And after doing a few readings with Kushal, I understood that he knows what he's doing. You know, I don't know about how much he was interested on he actors particularly क्या करे, he knew he will edit it. वो edit कर देगा. तो उसको पता है उसको क्या करना है. So we were like all cool. It was good.
Okay, while shooting the film, did you face any kind of fear, you or other cast?
हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत तो होता ही है.
No, the night we slept, yes. And the night I slept, yes. I was scared that if somebody's genuinely at my door or whatever.
But it was a difficult process. I must tell you, it looks like how
No,
it looks.
I would like to say one thing. Sorry, I did cut you. Kushal has taught us while sitting on a webcam how to set lights, how to adjust your camera. So I have understood how to be a makeup artist, a DOP, a director, and I understood everything about at least the behind the scenes. So thanks.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi.
Yes.
Please
Happy
tell
to
us
see
about your
you.
role and the whole experience working in the film.
Please start.
So we had a special appearance, but I had read the entire script, so it was very interesting to shoot something that happened completely online. I don't think I'd ever had that experience, and I think Kushal is so passionate about what he wants to do, and that's why I got into the film.
What about you?
Yeah, I think we were just, like she said, we were just on a video call sitting at home and he made a film. So it was a great experience. It was literally like lockdown mein kuch nahi kar rahe ho to picture bana lo. And I think that's the best thing because it inspires so many filmmakers who crib and cry about budget nahi hai,
Yes.
kaisa shoot karenge, ye kaisa hoga, wo kaisa hoga. Bhai usne film bana di aur release ho gayi hai. So I think that's an eye opener for all of us that, you know, if you want to do something, just get up and do it. Don't give excuses.
Yeah, and it turned out pretty well.
So what was the concept and content about this movie that made you choose?
Sorry.
Sorry?
What was the content or concept about this movie that made you choose this special appearance of the movie?
So I generally really like thrillers, and I had just watched Searching, which had come, which is a very similar sort of vibe, and I was very excited by that. But I told him, bro, horror मैं नहीं कर सकता, मैं खुद ही नहीं सोऊंगा. So that's why I didn't do the film. But yeah, and I'm just very happy I'm part of it. Yeah, I'm just very happy.
Yeah, for me it's the same thing, that it was completely shot online. That was very important for me to be a part of that experience.
Okay, would you like to share any upcoming work projects to the audience? And again,
I don't know how much you can say.
Yeah, we don't know how much we can say.
just a little bit.
I'm doing a show for MX and I'm doing some things, so we'll figure. We'll
what
know
about
soon.
I'm doing a show on Amazon Mini. Hopefully releases in the next year.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
So
Vinaya being the associate director, I'm sure you must be happy today the film has released. What do you have to say for the
Very
journey?
much. As long as, I mean, Kushal's happy, even I'm happy. Because as he mentioned, he called me a year ago and he was just like, मैंने concept लिखा है यार, let's make a feature film. And I was like, you just can't get up and say I want to make a feature film. But he genuinely managed to keep all of us together, and then we somehow made it. A big thanks to all the actors who actually supported us and have been with us throughout the year, including the special appearances. So yeah, I mean, it was like a really, really great journey.
Tell us about your role in the film.
So these two wonderful people approached me last year, and I'd initially auditioned for a different part, and that didn't work out. But then a few months later, they approached me saying that we have this smaller part, would you be interested in doing it? And to be very honest, when you meet new people and you work with them for the first time, there's always some form of fear or nervousness. Okay, should I even associate myself with this project? What is it giving me in return? But they were very kind. They were like, we really would love to have you. And to be honest, lockdown mein aur kuch kaam tha hi nahi. So why not learn something new, have a new experience? And then they were like, it's a zero budget film. And I'm like, okay, new people, zero budget film. They have no idea where it's going to release. Do you really want to do this? And I told them, give me some time to think and I'll get back to you. And I thought about it. The next day I got back to them saying that, you know, you're really brave that you're even attempting something like this. People sometimes don't have that opportunity or they don't have the courage. These two are really brave to make a zero budget film without any backing, with just a concept and a story. So for me to be a part of it would give me a lot as an actor and a person to learn. And like Gurleen rightly mentioned, we did our own lights, our own makeup, our own costume, and we had a wonderful experience. So I like learning new things, and this part, whether small or big, gave me a lot to learn as an actor. So I'm very happy to be a part of it.
Just to add one last thing, we didn't have any backing while we did the film. It was just us and the actors backing each other. But after we finished the film and after we actually got done with the process, we were searching for people to take our film, and can't thank Ramji Gulati sir enough for backing us, for supporting us, and helping us bring this film to a limelight, to show it to people. And yeah, I mean, that's a great deal for like both of us.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. And can we have Ramji and Kushal
Thank
join? Ramji, congratulations, from music to videos to direction and now production. And this is the first film which is releasing today, so congratulations. What do you have to say?
Yeah, I would like to thank the entire team, Kushal and team. They really put a lot of hard work, and we're missing Shahzeb by here, Brown Pitch, where the film has released on Brown Pitch on YouTube. So when we first saw the film, you know, we got so excited, and you know, I told Kushal that, you know, we want to do this together and hum ye saath mein karenge. And with the concept, you know, the way they have all come together, all the actors, they've acted so well. Dekhte hi maza aa gaya. I really thought this is something fresh and, you know, which will be enjoyed by the youth. And I really think that the youth will attach to the film. And I think all their hard work is shown on the screen, and there's a good response. I think already 40,000-50,000 people have watched the movie so far on YouTube. So very excited for this one, and we plan to do a couple of projects with Kushal and team, you know.
Ramji, anyways, you turn tables around, and your digital reach is mind-blowing. So what do you have to say about the film space that you've entered in now?
So we always wanted to come into films, you know, and I found this very creative and something which, you know, you cannot make everything, you know, grand commercially with money. I love the idea which they came up with, and, you know, we thought we're generally going to have a part 2 of this for sure, you know, listen to me. And with me, I always like supporting artists, and, you know, we wanted to enter independent scene. So with this film, you know, we want to associate with a lot of talented bunch of actors, directors, where we come and, you know, produce such independent films on a larger scale.
have to say for United White Flag?
I am lucky. Like I am right now very lucky to like getting a producer on board, and you know United White Flags, Brown Pitch, both the production has had done a lot. So like we just made the entire film. If you guys are watching it on your screen, is because of these two production houses and Ramji sir. So that's there. So I'm very lucky for that.
Thank you so much.
I think they've really worked hard and the hard work is shown.
Thank you. So we just do a group picture with the cast.
Yeah.
The cast
Picture on
and
Hello. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, we're getting everyone. Can you just take one?
So now you're being hidden.
Hold on. Everyone in my camera, please. Over here.
Now we can have a team.
Sir. Yeah, ma'am in the center, everyone. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, yes. My camera. Thank you.